I'm the author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to add a video to your Google Sites site. And this can be done in either a Windows or a Mac or a Chromebook. You're basically just using the Google Chrome browser to do what I'm about to show you. A quick disclaimer, what you see here may look different as Google updates its software, and you are responsible for following Google's terms as well as any local regulations that might apply. Okay, so here's a situation. I have a site that I've created for some high school students to learn computer programming, and usually where I start to find the site actually is to go to Google Drive, my Google Drive account, then type sites. And usually it shows you the most recent ones. So I'm just going to, it's this one right here. So I'm opening it up. And this is as an editor or an administrator for this particular Google Sites. And you can see I have a whole bunch of different resources for people, downloads. There's some programming camp schedule. There's some directions. And then I have a video page. And what I want to do is first I'm going to delete this video because it's the wrong one. Then I'm going to add another one. And it's pretty simple to do this all. So I have assignment for week 1. Watch and try for yourself. Now this video, this is an old video. It's actually for the advanced class. So this is for the new semester. It's for the beginner class. And I'm just going to delete that. And basically all you do is select it. And then you see the little trash can icon? You can just delete the section. Okay. Delete this as well. All right, so I need to add a video, and to do that, you basically go to the insert element area, and you scroll down. And there's a whole bunch of different options here. I'm just going to take the YouTube option because this video is already on YouTube. It's called Scratch Programming. Click the search, and here it is, Introduction to Scratch. So you click it once to highlight it, then you click the select button. And then you can maybe manipulate it a little bit, make it a little bit bigger. All right, there it is. Okay, and then make sure you do this too. You need to publish it. Google Sites, what it does now is actually shows you before and after. Okay, so this is the draft. This is the currently published, which actually means the version that I had before tonight. So when I click publish, this will update it to this. So let's do that. Okay. Let's get a link to it. Publish site link, copy link. And I always recommend testing Google Sites. No matter what you do, no matter how simple it seems, you wouldn't believe some of the errors that pop up. Sometimes they're simple. Maybe you assume something and it's not quite correct, or your users start using it in a different way, or a common thing actually is the permissions are set all wrong. So I'm just going to test this in another browser where I'm not logged in. And here it is. And this is actually exactly what I wanted. If I press play, it would start playing. So this is what my students will see. That's super. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Apps, Drive, Docs, sites, sheets, slides, forms, I cover all the basics in the book. And then also on my YouTube channel, which you're watching right now, I have some more videos specific to Google Sites. If you like this video, please take a moment to like it. I would really appreciate it, or tell other people about it. My name is Ian Lamont. Thank you so much for watching.